If you love making videos, reels, or YouTube content, then this tripod might be a perfect choice for you. Today, I am reviewing this super versatile tripod packed with amazing features. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Yes, this is Digitek DTR 550 LW tripod. Let's unbox this tripod and take a closer look at its amazing features. So, as you can see, it comes neatly packed in a protective poly cover. Inside, we get a carry bag which makes it very easy to carry and perfect for travel. Talking about the design, this DTR 550 LW tripod comes in a black and yellow color combination, which looks quite stylish and sporty. This color contrast actually makes it stand out and gives it a premium feel. This is the 360-degree hand grip. Just loosen it to move the camera up and down. And here's the second lock. Adjust the angle you want, then tighten both to keep it steady and secure. Here's the mount to attach the camera in this tripod. And it also comes with a phone holder. You can attach the phone holder to the mount like this. This yellow screw helps you adjust position for horizontal and vertical shots. You can easily set your phone at any angle and start shooting. Now this is one of the most amazing features, the bubble level indicator. It helps you check whether your phone or camera is perfectly centered or not. Now it's time to check the maximum height of this tripod. By opening these yellow locks, you can easily adjust the height according to your convenience. You might be thinking this is the maximum height of the tripod, but actually it's not. By opening this star-shaped lock and moving this black handle upward, then rotating it, the height starts increasing gradually. As you can see, it keeps extending. And yes, this is the real maximum height of this tripod, 5.57 feet. And honestly, it's even taller than me. Here's a handle to easily lift the tripod. And a hook at the bottom to add weight for the better stability. Now comes the most important question. Is it affordable? Yes, it definitely is. At just Rs 1599, it is a great one-time investment and offers a long lifespan with solid build quality. Overall, this tripod is lightweight, portable and affordable. It offers aluminum alloy legs, a 360-degree rotating head, adjustable height up to 67 inches and 5 kg load capacity. The phone holder, bubble level, flip locks and carry bag make it convenient for both photo and video shoots. If you are interested in buying this tripod, you can check out the link in the description below. Do share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.